Hey guys, this is Jam of jamonline.ph and nandito tayo ngayon sa Cherry Mobile office and i-unbox natin ang Cherry Mobile Flare S7 Deluxe. So yung Flare S7 Deluxe na meron tayo, unfortunately hindi natin siya pwedeng i-test yung software niya because prototype pa siya. Pero at least we get the closer look lang kung ano ba meron sa smartphone na to. So first things first, let's talk about yung kanya specification. So meron siyang 5.85-inch HD plus display, that's 1512 by 720. It's HD plus kasi meron siyang notch sa taas. So alam niyo yung iba yung aspect ratio natin. Normally if we have the notch, 19 by 9 display aspect ratio siya. And then of course meron tayong 1.3 GHz quad-core processor. It's an MT6739WA processor with PowerVR GE8100 GPU. I'm not sure kung paano siya magpe-perform. Bago lang siya sa parinig ko and hindi ko pa siya natatry ever. Then of course meron tayo ditong 3 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of internal storage. It's running on Android 8.1. Meron tayong 13 plus 2 megapixels sa likod and 13 plus 2 megapixels sa unahan. So basically, that's a quad camera setup dito sa Flare S7 Deluxe. Meron din tayong 2800 mAh of battery na removable. And of course, meron tayong fingerprint scanner and USB Type-C. So, bubuksan natin itong smartphone na to para malaman natin kung bang, ma-expect nyo dito sa Flare S7 Deluxe. So, the Flare S7 Deluxe is priced at $5,999. So, medyo mura siya. I believe ito yata ang pinakamura ngayon na smartphone na may notch or meron pang other Flare S7 smartphones or the family na may ganong feature, the notch. So, wow, okay. So, mapapansin nyo dito guys, yung kanyang likod is actually glossy. Is this plastic? Well, it's plastic pero mukha siyang glass. First time ko makita ng ganito construction. Though huwag niyo pansinin masyado fingerprints sa likod kasi nga, this is just an engineering unit nila. So, hindi pa final yung software. Pero makikita nyo, ang ganda nung design niya sa likod. It's plastic pero glossy siya and para siyang mirror. Though, again, it's plastic. We got here the fingerprint scanner. And then, of course, the dual lens camera sa likod. Sa ilalim, we got the USB Type-C, the speaker grill, the power button dito, the volume rocker, and then sa taas, we got the 3.5mm headphone jack. Okay, wait lang. So, buksan natin to. So, removable yung back niya. Again, it's plastic. Mukha na siyang glass. So, yan. So, nabibend siya. Anyway, sa loob, we got here the SIM card slot, the SIM card 2 slot, the micro SD, and the SIM card 1 slot. So, buksan muna natin yung box para malaman natin kung ano bang ma-expect natin, kung nasan yung battery, kung ilan yung battery niya, kano kalaki, and other things na kasama dito. So, sa loob, we got here the 2,800 mAh of battery. Lagay lang natin siya dito. Buksan na rin natin siya, pero hindi natin pwedeng galawin yung software. So, tinabi muna natin yung smartphone. So, sa loob, we got here yung other accessories na kasama. So, sa loob, we got here the USB Type-C to USB-A. So, alam niyo na kung ano to. Thankfully, USB Type-C. Buti pa si Cherry Mobile. Kahit affordable yung smartphone sila, they're using USB Type-C para sa future na bilhin nyo ng smartphones, hindi kayo mga problema sa port neto. And then, of course, we got here the charger. So, the charger is rated at 1200 milliamperes. Faster than I expected. Normally, 1000 milliamperes lang siya. So, that's 1.2 amperes. And then, of course, we got here the earphone. So, punta naman tayo dun sa smartphone. Pero, before that, linisin muna natin dito yung box. So, yan guys. We have here the Cherry Mobile Flare S7 Deluxe. And as you can see, tanggalin natin yung screen protector niya. Yan. So, again, we can't test out its software. So, may lock din siya kasi nga engineering unit siya. And what I like about it is that, well, it's an affordable smartphone and yet we have a notch. Yes, that's a notch over there. Meron tayong screen protector and you can actually see here na meron tayong dalawang camera. Again, 2 cameras sa likod, 2 cameras sa unahan. So, basically, there's quad camera setup here. The bezel below is actually not that thin. So, medyo malaki naman yung bezel dito unlike other smartphones. But still, Cherry Mobile managed to maximize yung screen estate niya sa taas. So, meron tayong notch dito, may notch tayo dito, though may konting kalakihan yung bezel dito sa baba. Sa sides naman, manipis lang yung bezel, so wala naman masyadong problema regarding that one. Again, this one is made up of plastic and gusto ko yung pagka-gold niya. So, it actually reminds me of the Nova series, yung parang ganong reflection na may vertical. Pero, of course, the Nova is different. Mas solid yung ano doon. Pero this one is still okay. I mean, with the battery here, no hollow feelings. And ang ganda tignan nung even na hindi siya Gradian color, isa lang yung color niya. Ang ganda tignan na gold siya na may gantong shimmering na gold na likod. Ang ganda niya tignan, promise. Though medyo attractive sa fingerprint. Actually, nilinis ko lang siya kanina. Kaya nawala yung fingerprint. But still, agaw tingin tong gantong ano. Yan, nakita nyo naman, di ba? Talaga nagsashine siya. Then, of course, the fingerprint scanner over here. We got the headphone jack here kahit na naka-USB Type-C tayo dito. Yes, USB Type-C. So, this one is really interesting kasi nga, Cherry Mobile is now offering an affordable smartphone na may notch. So, yun naman yung point nila dito eh. Meron tayong notch, meron tayong 19:9 display aspect ratio. Doon sa notch display natin, meron tayong USB Type-C and meron tayong fingerprint scanner. This one is available for $5,999. Again, I'm not sure with regards sa performance and the software. But right now, this is just a preview kung ano bang ma-expect natin sa Cherry Mobile Flare S7 Deluxe. So yeah, I guess that's it dito sa short hands-on natin ng Flare S7 Deluxe. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, now's the time to subscribe. So once again, I'm jamonline.ph and maraming salamat sa panonood ng ating hands-on ng Cherry Mobile Flare S7 Deluxe.